What's that? You found a lure? Is there a hook in it?
Okay.
It's coming through pretty hard here, isn't it? Let's go explore, guys. Let's get the bags. Let's go explore. I see Bird Island. I think we can make it. I think we can make it over here. Does it look shallow on here? It looks shallow here, and then we'll take it this way instead of right here where it's deeper. Call her to you, Kara. Call her to you. Hey, you made it! Oh, these birds aren't gonna like that.
Even Ella doesn't want to be in my video. There.
What's that?
And we're
And a lighter. You found both those things?
Yes. I found this one.
There was a mask. You missed the mask. We have to clean that up on the way.
Go away. Go away.
Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier!
What are you doing, Pyros? Is this with the lighter that you found in the ocean?
Yeah.
You don't have anything to burn.
Okay, guys. We missed it. It was all the way up to here. Yup. I cooked the chicken. Sea chicken.
Stranded on a deserted island. All you have to do do is find a lighter in the ocean,
Yes.
let it dry out for about an hour, and then boom, you're cooking with gas. Literally.
It's in my mouth.
Why won't it light?
Because you're not as cool as her. She doesn't know the ways of the ancient ones. Liv, I watched Man vs. Wild.
I let your fire out, John.
Olivia, just jump in.
I don't know how to jump rope.
Jump in, guys.
All right, can you stop?
You gotta make sure it hits the
Stop,
ground
gotta
every
touch the
time.
ground.
Yeah.
Ella, Ella.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1.
His left's like rope burn. No, no, if I don't practice, I won't get it.
Good Ella.
She's gonna bust ass, so.
Get our vine. This is a little vine. In the middle.
We're using a vine as a jump rope.
Here we go.
Come on, let's go! Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Oh, there's just a little bit of that island out there with a handful of birds on it. Yeah. Nice.